Hello, guys. Hope you are well, enjoying your life, enjoying learning. So, today we are in the part 7 of the accounting short question and answers. Welcome to Quiz and Quotes again, and let's start the discussion. Next set of the questions. So, there's again a set of 2025 questions. Learn it very seriously, see it number of times, practice well, and this is the key of your success. I repeat, practice is the key of all the success. Keep on practicing. And so, without wasting time, let's go to the next set of questions. So, first question coming to you is this: goods given in charity is credited in dash account. Goods given in charity is credited in dash account, and the answer is purchase account. Next question: such expenses which are paid in current year but are related to next year are called dash, and the answer is prepaid expenses. Next question: accrued income is dash account. Accrued income is dash account, and the answer is personal account. Accrued income is a personal account. Next question: there is a dash fall in the value of asset due to depreciation. Depreciation is a continuous, or just a gradual, or just a constant fall in the value of asset due to usage or due to time. Right, guys? Next question: interest on capital is always shown in dash side of the profit loss account. Interest on capital is always shown in dash side of the profit loss account. The answer is debit side of the balance profit loss account. Interest on capital is always shown in the debit side of the profit loss account. Next question: unearned income is shown in dash side of the balance sheet. Unearned income is shown in the dash side of the balance sheet, and the answer is unearned income is shown in the liability side of the balance sheet. Great. Next question: the main object of non-trading concern is dash. The answer is social service. The main object of non-trading concern is social service. Next question: the debit side of income and expenditure account is called dash side. The debit side of income and expenditure account is called dash side, and the answer is expenditure side. The debit side of income and expenditure account is called expenditure side. Next question: non-trading concerns maintained their books according to the dash system. Non-trading concerns maintained their books according to dash system. The answer is cash system. Dash account is prepared with the help of cash book. Dash account is prepared with the help of cash book, and the answer is receipt and payment account. Receipt and payment account is prepared on the basis of cash book. Whatever you receive, you enter, and whatever you pay, you enter. Next question: dash represent the excess of asset over liabilities. Dash represent the excess of asset over liabilities, and the answer is the capital. Capital represents the excess of asset over liabilities. Next question: depreciation is charged only in the case of profit. True or false? Quickly. Depreciation is charged only in the case of profits. No. Depreciation is charged both in the case of profit and loss, whatever it may be. It is based on the consumption. Next question: unearned income is recorded in asset size. True or false? Unearned income is recorded in asset size. True or false? It's false. Unearned income is recorded in the liability side. Interest on capital is income for the business. Interest on capital is income for the business. True or false? It's false. Interest on capital is expense for the business. Drawing of goods is deducted from purchase. True or false? Drawing of goods is deducted from purchase. True or false? It's true. Drawing of goods is deducted from the purchase. Next question: doctor employed with government is example of non-trading professional. True or false? False. Doctor employed by the government is not a part of non-trading not he is not a part of non-trading professional. Professional people maintain their accounts according to cash system. True or false? It's true. Income and expenditure account reveals cash balance. True or false? Income and expenditure account reveals cash balance. True or false? It's false. Capital items are written in receipts and payments account. True or false? Capital items capital items are written in the receipt and payment account. No. Yeah, it's true. No adjustment is made in receipt and payment account. True or false? True. So again, we finish the series of 2025 question. Here is time of your gift. Go to the description box, see the link there, and you'll find an amazing gift for your career, life, and possibly, no doubt, you can make use of financially free. So explore the link, go to the website, fill the form, and we will be connected. For any question, any suggestion, you can always write to us in the comment box, in the email ID, and the WhatsApp number given in the description box. So thank you guys. Share these questions to your friends and family who are preparing for the examination. This is definitely going to help them for their success. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best.